Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Chris Iwoha, a data analyst. I've been privileged to work on educational tools provided by Prime Tech Academy for all its regions and clients internationally. Okay, what you can see on the screen is a general overview of what has been constructively carried out, research that have been constructively carried out and analyzed to come up with this. Prior to this time, we're able to gather our data through a survey using Google Form. This Google Form was carefully administered to all our clients, about 61 clients, using the product of Prime Tech Academy. The data obtained from the Google Form were translated into a Google Sheet, from where we were able to analyze the data into meaningful information. That brought us to this dashboard, where we have constructed, used that data and represented that data using pictograph and statistical tools in order to give them a good interpretation. So moving forward, we're able to create slices. This is slices, which gives us the opportunity to select the various countries. We also have slice for products, which gives us the opportunity to select different products. From the slice of the products, we have about 5 products of Prime Tech Academy. And from the slice of the country, we have about 8 countries using the products of Prime Tech Academy. Overall, we can see that the average rating of all the products in all the countries worldwide is 3.93. The total transaction of all of our clients is 4,187,900 naira. The average transaction is 68,654 naira 10 kobo. From the left hand corner, where we have a bar chart which represents the average satisfaction rating per country. This shows you which in all the countries, what is their average satisfaction rating? How do they perceive our products to be?